Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel where I review and unbox all things tech. It's KBB Alpha here, and today I have another product here direct from Lenovo. Now, this product that I just got is a 17-inch armored backpack, again from Lenovo, and this is the Lenovo Legion. I did get this because I have a 17-inch Legion laptop, and I'm having a hard time finding backpacks that would fit it. So I said, why not? I'll just go get it straight from Lenovo. So we're going to go ahead and start with the unboxing, and I'll show you guys what is inside. One of the first things you will notice about this backpack is that it is pretty large, as well as the EVA hard-molded Kevlar carbon fiber protective shield on the front that will not only protect your laptop and other valuables, it's also strong enough to protect your virginity. Now listen to how tough and hard that sounded. Everything will literally bounce right off this. Now the bottom of the backpack is also made of sturdy polyurethane material, which is probably the second strongest area on this backpack. Now flipping it to the back, you can probably tell that this was molded after Batman's batsuit torso, including his abs, which protrude and provide a wide range of protection for your back. It's also made of a fire retardant and breathable material here to protect your back even further. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take a brief look at all the compartments of this armored behemoth of a backpack here. There are three main areas, the first of which is the area right behind the outside armor. Now it has four large pocket areas. One appears to be made to hold your Legion phone, which I don't have yet since it's not being marketed in the US, thanks Lenovo, as well as the pencil or EpiPen holders. You can pretty much put anything you want in this area, or you can reforge to increase the armor or the carrying capacity. The second area, which is the middle of the backpack, contains one large pocket, two smaller ones, and an area that holds your headphones, wired or wireless. And as you can see, it also came with lightly crumpled paper to make your backpack look full. Also, this compartment is waterproof, so if you spill anything inside, it will not leak out to the other compartments and vice versa. The third and final area, closest to your back, is where your 17-inch laptop will be sitting. Now, some of you may not have a 17-incher, you might have a 15-incher or smaller. It's okay, don't worry. Just be confident with what you have. At least that's what they say. There's also a tablet compartment, which is most likely for the Legion 8-inch gaming tablet, but again, it's not being sold in North America. And lastly, flipping it to the side, there is one of two hidden compartments to keep your enemies guessing. Once open, it can hold your licensed Legion hydration container or anything similar in size or shape. Sometimes you gotta tickle it to get it open. Now here's how you place your Legion hydration container in the secret compartment. Now it's just supposed to slide right in. There we go. Now doesn't that look sexy? Now located in the rear, right below the cutout of Batman's abs, is the final secret compartment. You can use this spot to hide your feelings, or in my case, use it to hold my sandwiches, because I get hungry a lot and I love my sandwiches. Sandwich! Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the backpack full. Now I've filled the Legion backpack with all of my Legion accessories. The Legion 17-inch laptop, Legion keyboard, Legion mouse, Legion headset, even Legion Air. However, I'm still missing the phone and tablet since it's not being sold in North America. But as you can see, there is plenty of space left here. Alright everybody, so that was it for my unboxing and review of the Legion Armored 17-inch backpack. Now if you guys liked what you saw, go ahead and drop a like, a comment, or even subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.